Alright guys, just started my hike. No idea how to pronounce this. Mt Cooroora, Mount something. I have no idea. Okay. Afternoon.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks. Oh, fantastic. Did all that and I forgot my drink bottle. This is gonna be fun. I just filled up my drink bottle so I can jog out this hill and enjoy the climb. And then I left the drink bottle in the car. At least I got the GoPro. Oh, lucky. I decided to check my map. I went running and I went the wrong way. So I'm turning back now, which is weird because I'm turning back on a different trail. This makes no sense. Oh bugger. What's going on? How did I get here in the first place? I didn't turn. It was meant to keep going straight. That's so weird. Anyways, I'm cutting across. Only 580 meters to the summit. Looks easy enough. Alright, let's get some exercise. 2:34. There was a downhill section which took me by surprise. I think I'm on track. Okay. Now it's 2:40. I'm up to the change section. So apparently this is the steep part. Hello. There's a steep up there?
You've got a fair way to go now.
Cool. Thank you. Whew. Haven't burnt my lungs like this in ages. Whew. Boy, I could use some water right about now. Finish the steps, more rocks. Okay, what's this sign say? Summer route, look out, summer route. Ooh. Steps on the stone, how neat is this? Oh, leading to more steps. Fantastic. Oh boy. I don't know which is worse, forgetting water or the torch. Oh. Oh. It's kicking in. It's steep. I knew this is going to be steep. I'm pretty sure I went too hard early on. Oh. Alright, use this as a recovery. Look at the view there. Alright, final scramble to the top. $2.56, 20 minutes. Alright, not bad, not bad at all. Fuck, my lungs are burning. Telecommunication tower. I think that was Coolum. That's something hill, Faith Hill. Fun little climb. Keeps going out to this side here. Let's see where this takes us. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Oh, the people out here. Just another plain lookout. Okay, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I said I'll be back at 3:30 for my wife to pick me up, so I've got 30 minutes to get down to the bottom. Let's see if I can make it. Time is 3:02, 28 minutes to get down to the car park. Let's see if I can do it. Getting down's easier. Down to the change section, the first part of the change section. Wow, getting down can be quite steep. Whee! First for the steps. Oh, at least I can come down here without getting tired. We're part of the hike, the descent on only these steps. Whew. This can be tough on the knees, huh? Ease back before I freaking slip. I think I've finished with the climbing. Time now is 3:12, took 10 minutes to descend. So probably 5 minutes quicker. Get to leg the rest out. This is the downhill that took me by surprise, so I have to run it back up. But I do know that After this uphill, it's downhill. So I can push a bit here and recover. Oh shit, this is it. I almost missed my turn, thank God. Oh, I saw this old man come out. I'm like, what? Does this go to the car park? I almost kept running on the fire trail. That was lucky. I had to stop, double check though. But I recognised that bench as soon as I turned the corner. I was going to take a shortcut, but to be fair, I had to run the whole route. Jeez, a lot of side trails. Another shortcut here. Alright, so this is where I popped out when I took the wrong turn from the car park. 3:18, 16 minutes to get here, so I'm 5 minutes quicker, which is nice. Now, so I popped out from there, which is wrong, so continuing back down. Alright, new shoes, 50 k's in, so this is probably my 4th, 5th hike. I've got to admit, they're pretty grippy, but the downside was my feet's burning. Shit, what the hell is this? Okay, I entered from the wrong, I entered there, that's why I freaking was on the wrong trail from the beginning. Alright, made it back. My wife is here. The time is 3:19. So 17 minutes to get back down. But not bad. Alright, time for a drink of water and end of today's hike. Peace out. Catch you guys on the next hike. See you.